Hey guys, Chris at Premium and Exotic Wholesale in Bloomington, Indiana. Behind me I have a 2015 M2 106 Sport Chassis with 101,000 miles. Come for a ride? Let's check out what she's got. One of the nice things about these medium duty trucks is they're sitting on bigger tires than your regular 1 ton. These are sitting on 255, 70, 22.5s. What that does, gives you more weight on the road. It also gives you a much bigger area to put your brakes in. So these trucks are going to have much better stopping capability. Cool thing about these sport chassis trucks as well is they're going to have hydraulic brakes if it's a true sport chassis. That in a lot of states will get you out of needing to have an air brake endorsement, and that is going to be on every factory M2 106 sport chassis truck. Moving back along here, fuel tanks on these things. The fuel on a sport chassis, typically speaking, they're going to come with 50 gallons per side. It's going to give you 100 usable gallons. These things are going to average somewhere from 8 to 10 miles per gallon, which is going to mean you're going to get somewhere from 800 to 1,000 miles in between fuel stops. If you've ever been hauling a 30, 40, 50-foot trailer, you know how painful it can be to get into some of these gas stations. It's really nice to be able to fill up once, do your trip, come back, and still not have to refuel. You've got your block heater here, so especially right now, it's minus 8 degrees outside. You're not going to start these trucks without doing that, so you can simply plug into here. That'll keep that block heater warm. Moving along the truck further here, we have the battery reconditioner, same deal. If you're not using these trucks, I always tell people, a lot of our ones we have kill switches installed, but for me, I like to just plug it in as soon as I get in the shop. That just is a tender for the batteries, it just keeps them running. We have the wonderful DEF tank. Everyone loves their DEF, as we know. What this does do though is it allows you to drive it in states like California, New York. If we swing around Jackson, you'll be able to see here, we have some storage. This truck has been set up here with plenty of storage in here. Gooseneck ball, if you like a gooseneck for the hitch. And then we have an air chock inside there as well. So if you want to install your air hoses so you can air up, air down when you're at the racetrack, that goes into these unlockable cupboards. And you've got one at the back here as well. On top here, we have a very lightly used TrailerSaver Hensley Air Ride 5th wheel hitch. This truck was previously used by someone who was hauling their RV, and so it's currently got the 5th wheel set up on there. If you do need to change that to a gooseneck, it's really quite simple for us. There's one big bolt, we slide it out, pop it in, and we can set that up for whoever you want to have that set up. They've polished this deck up. The checker plating is real nice. See your reflection on there. LED lights all around on these sport chassis trucks. We get around to this side, we're gonna have 2 storages. We've got one at the front, one at the back. They're all lockable, and plenty of room inside that actually goes all the way through. It's about a foot deep in there. The beds, all aluminum. The entire body aluminum, including the steps. This one has the upgraded wide ride Bostrom Serta seats. Multiple adjustments on that, we'll show you on the other side, but you can adjust everything from the lumbar support, the back support, the mid-level, the waist. And then the nice thing about these medium duty trucks is they're all going to be sitting on air ride seats. Air ride seats, that ties in with the cabs. Air ride seats, air ride cab, and air ride chassis, which is really going to give you that smooth ride. If you're used to driving long distances in one of these trucks, this is where you want to be at. Let's climb on inside and let's see what the differences are. Climbing into these sport chassis trucks, very easy to get in and out of. Doesn't matter if you're 16, 65, or 95. Adjust your seat to a comfortable position, push the middle pedal. You have a full telescopic steering wheel, both up and down, forward and back. In here we have all the basic switches. So we have our headlights, our running lights, our dash illumination switches, cruise control on the left-hand side. On this truck in particular, this is one of the newer ones, the 2015. It actually comes with rear air conditioning, which is unusual for a lot of these trucks. They didn't all come with it, and that's really nice in Texas. If you're going through some of these lower southern states, especially in summertime, to be able to blast the air on the back makes a substantial difference. On the dash here, we have the windows front, windows back, engine brake, the locks, heated mirrors, the regen button, the backup camera, and then this button here is neat. This one here is actually going to lower or raise the air pressure in that Hensley 5th wheel hitch. So if you have your animals in the back and you want to try and soften that load a little, you can just drop a little bit of air out of that and we'll just squish that cushion a little bit more. And then the final button we have here is the rear air suspension. So when you want to back up to your trailer, rather than having to sit there and manually wind that trailer for 20 minutes, you can dump the air out of the bed. It's going to lower the suspension about 2 or 3 inches, allow you to drive under that trailer, push the button again, the truck's going to rise right back up again. And then just a whole bunch of storage that sport chassis have built in. We have some mood lighting up here, which is nice just to run through there, and then the fancy ones around the outside. If you guys are looking to get yourself into a medium duty truck, give one of us a call, 812-390-4977, or go to our website, premiumandexotic.com, and we'd love to upgrade you into a new medium-duty truck today.